What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading investing, well, pretty much just the best channel on YouTube, guys. Welcome back to the team. Welcome back to the show. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the best electric car company, Tesla. We're going to be doing a stock breakdown. But before we do that, we're doing something, guys. So for all of you that know, Mr. Beast is doing a Save the Trees initiative. So here at Carter Farr on YouTube, we're going to be matching anyone's donations if you go down and donate through this link. If you donate, we'll match it and pretty much help Mr. Beast out to get to that 20 million trees. But let's jump back to the video and let's go talk about Tesla stock here and see if it's worth the buy, what's going on with it. So let's go, baby. Alrighty, guys, what is going up? We have our charts up here. We're using the TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform for our charting. We have the 4 studies that we have up here are our moving average lines. So our 9, 20, 90, and 200. We have our volume down below, and then we have our RSI. So for those of you that don't know what this means, moving average lines act as support resistance lines. They identify trends very easily. The RSI is the relative strength index, finding an overall strength of a stock. So as you guys can tell, when the RSI hits the 30, that's when we get these buying pressures. So we got 30, you know what I mean? So pretty much anytime a stock shows high strength, then you'll get notified up here. So as you guys can tell, it's already way up on here. So there could be a possible short coming in. So let's talk about Tesla. So Tesla is one of the, founders or one of the first car companies to kind of gear towards electric only. Yes, we do have Ford, we do have GM, Chrysler, Chevy, but other than those, those are like the big auto companies out there, but they're still using the gas combustion engines. Tesla, on the other hand, is not using those. They're using only electric, only good batteries, only stuff like that. We do have a couple other companies that are only electric. We do have Tesla, and then we do have, let's pull up. So we do have NIO, which is a very similar scenario here. This stock on its IPO really surged from, $5 all the way to almost $14. Found some support here at, pretty much the $6 mark. And, I made some textbook trades in here, and then it sold off. And now it's just kind of, it's way above all these moving average lines. So there's really nothing about it. So looking at Tesla here, let's pull Tesla back up. As you guys can tell, there is a hard resistance up here at the 386 mark. So let's get our drawing tools up and we can start doing our Tesla breakdown. So as you guys can tell, there is a hard resistance here up at 389. Every time it comes in contact with it, sells off. So it's hit it 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 times. You could count that as hitting it, but every time it comes in contact with it, it gets sold off. So you know what we're gonna do? We're going to set an alert here. So we're going to left click here. We're going to set an alert just because there's 2 possible things that we can do. We can do a gap and go setup, which is pretty much stating when a stock breaks over this resistance, this is going to get a ton of buyers interested in the stock. When that happens, that's going to spike the price up, possibly, since it's a large cap company, possibly only 3 or 4%. So in our downside, we just set it right down below here, okay? Right below this. So if it comes up, gets sold off, no big deal. Another scenario we get, if it doesn't break, we can go short on the stock, okay? So if it's overvalued, we can go short and bet on the downside. So overall, Tesla, in my opinion, is a good buy right now. I think that this company still has long-term potential, okay? I mean, if we look at a lot of other companies, such as, Facebook, Apple, we're still in the front ground of this stock. The stock, really didn't start moving until 2013, 2014, and really didn't start picking up momentum until October of 2017. This stock, in my opinion, is still a great buy right now, just because I think the CEO, Elon Musk, is a very smart guy. I think he understands the concept. Technology autonomous driving. He's doing a lot of things that people aren't doing. And that, as investors, yeah, it's a little scary, but this company is a good company. If we're looking long-term for this, it still has an upward trend line, which is strong. I'm hoping to see this thing go up to like 425 by next year sometime. It is strong. So people are buying the stock. You know what I mean? Because it's strong in the RSI. It still has 1-2 resistance lines ahead. So possibly, we could get in 380 would probably be a good spot and get a possible push up to 400. Set stops probably at 360. So risking $20 to make hopefully like 50 or so. That would be the ideal goal. But overall, I think Tesla is a good buy. I'm excited for the future. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, drop a subscribe down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and hey, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Take care.